Hey, good Monday evening. There is the view as seen from Carter Mountain as we look off to the west. Yeah, a lot of clear blue sky. We had a few fair weather cumulus clouds out there. A toasty afternoon, and what a weekend coming off a Saturday that featured temperatures in the 60s with some overcast conditions for a while, some showers, and we jumped into the 80s yesterday. Well, look at what we did today. Let's go to the maps here. We touched 91 at the airport, falling a degree shy of tying the record, which goes back to 1974. That was 92. Again, our average is 74 for this second to last day of April. Now, this is not the first occurrence of a 90 or higher degree day. We had one in March, especially at the airport, but for some of us, it was certainly the first one. 89 is the current number now. Southerly winds at 10. The air mass is not all that humid. Again, for late April, a dew point in the 50s is not too bad. So it was toasty, but it wasn't oppressively humid. 84 is the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. But again, these numbers are still at July-like readings. We've got 86 in Louisa, 86 there in Palmyra, 84 in Waynesboro and Stanton, and 85 currently in Madison. Those winds out of the south to southwest, that along with high pressure overhead, allowing those temperatures to reach some lofty levels this afternoon. Temperatures tonight only fall back in the low 60s under mostly clear skies, so a mild summer-like overnight. Now tomorrow it's still plenty warm, still above average, but not as hot. We'll see numbers pretty much in the mid to lower 80s. Now there'll be a little bit more cloud cover building in by afternoon, and late afternoon and tomorrow evening there could be an isolated shower or storm, but we are not anticipating any widespread rain either tomorrow or Wednesday, so the rain chance is low. Temperatures will still remain above average, even though they come down a little bit here on Wednesday as we look in toward the mid and late week. So rain chances low the next couple of days. We'll look toward the weekend now, and that looks to be a better opportunity with a slow-moving front and storm to bring us a couple rounds of showers and storms. But there we are with the satellite radar combination. Things are pretty quiet. A lone little thunder shower up toward western Maryland, and this is the same front, although it's weakened a lot. It's just near the Chicago area, still west of Memphis, that brought all the severe weather across the Plain States, the tornado outbreak that occurred over the weekend, the main storm lifting up through Wisconsin and Minnesota. That'll head up into Canada, but that energy is moving away from the region. It's bumping up against this big ridge of high pressure here in the east, and you can see these numbers. I mean, it's very July-like here for the 29th day of April. So here we are in the morning. We'll start in the mild 60s. We'll warm back into the low and mid 80s for many locations. We move into the late afternoon and early evening. A stray shower or thunderstorm, maybe a little better chance west of the Blue Ridge. And then on Wednesday, the actual front comes through. At this particular time, we'll likely have some clouds in the morning, giving way to some sun, but we can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm during the day, but the coverage just does not look all that great. Now, look toward the weekend. There we are Saturday morning, and we'll have a couple of rounds of some showers and storms. We'll fine-tune that over the next several days, but the weekend is trending a little wet. Temperatures here for tonight in the lower 60s, mostly clear and mild. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures still remaining above average through the stretch, more seasonable by the weekend, along with some opportunities for some showers and storms. We do need some spring rain.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.